Chicken potato salad. A healthy and flavorful cold dish. It's very easy to make. Green onion, ginger, Sichuan pepper, black pepper, chicken breast 250 grams, eggs, potato. When the water boils, turn down the heat. Cook for 10 minutes. Garlic, bird-eyes pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon monosodium glutamate, 1 teaspoon sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of peppercorn oil. Scallion. Drizzle with hot oil. 1 tablespoon of sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vinegar. Stir well. Chicken breast cut into pieces. Add potato, carrots, onions. Crush eggs. Stir. Let the flavors blend well and the dish is done. Sprinkle some scallions for garnish. The meat is very flavorful. It's wrapped in a rich sauce. I recommend you to try this recipe, which has a unique flavor. It's very tasty.